Hey everyone, Brandon with Bait and Fish here. I know it's been a while. I know. A lot of things have been going on. If you can tell that I'm in a garage now. If you know from my previous videos, I was in a storage unit doing my reviews and doing my how-tos. But now with the garage, it is so much easier just to hook up and go. I'd also like to thank everybody for the support, the likes. 500 subscribers, that's amazing, guys. I started this channel for my love of doing different fishing techniques on a different watercraft and being able to give you that information to help anybody that's interested in using a jet ski to go fishing without spending thousands of dollars on these giant boats when we can do the same thing and be versatile. So I thank you for your support. I appreciate it. So I've been getting this question a lot in my comments, and that's how to set up your navigation on your Seadoo Fish Pro. So let me go hop on the jet ski and we'll get started. You know, I always feel like this thing takes forever to boot up, more than any other depth sounder I've ever had. Now, one thing I will say is I do have the Garmin Blue chart. And let me tell you, that thing has saved me from running aground, hitting sandbars. It shows me the depth. I'll show you guys that too later on in the video. So one of the first things I like doing is when I pull up to the boat ramp, whether it's somewhere I've been before or if it's a new spot or a new area completely, is I want to go into my charts. And go from there, we're gonna go to navigation chart. But before I do that, I want to go over some new settings that you may not have on yours. The Fish Eye 3D and the relief shading. I believe the Mariner Eyes 3D is also new, but this comes with the Blue Chart map pack from Garmin. So we're going to go into navigation chart. All right, and then once you're there, you're always going to be zoomed out. So what you want to do is zoom into your current location. I'm just going to choose this area here. We're going to make this the imaginary boat ramp. Kind of looks like it's a golf course. So what you want to do while you're zoomed in, and you will see your ship right here. What I like to do is, before I leave and get too excited and going on fishing, I want to mark my location coming back. Now, if you have the snail trail that follows you, that's good too. But I've learned that if you don't have the chart open and you just have the sonar open, the snail trail won't start until you have the chart open or you have the split combo open with the chart and the sonar. I learned that the hard way when I made my failed attempt on catching tuna in West Palm Beach a couple of weekends ago. Luckily, I was with a group of people and they knew the way back. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit the select button, scroll down, create waypoint, and then go up to where it says 009 or whichever number. It might say something different. You wanna select that. Select edit waypoint, name, and you can call it what you want. I do WB, and then that would be for way back. And then you go back, and then you hit create waypoint. And after a day of fishing or adventure, if you want to go back, you want to hit menu, waypoints and tracks, waypoints, and you're going to scroll down until you made that WB. Now, I have a lot more because I have a lot of different public reefs and paid for private reefs. So you want to keep scrolling down. You see that I have ramp, and that's where I usually go out of, and that's how I know my way back. But here's WB. You're going to select WB, go down, navigate to, and unless you have the blue chart, you can hit auto guidance, and that's what that's going to do is it's going to direct you on the way back, keeping your draft in mind, so you don't run aground, you don't get in too shallow. Like, I have a warning for 3 feet and do not go anything less than 3 feet. So if I do auto guidance, it's going to avoid any path that's going to be 3 feet or less. So that way I can navigate and not have to worry about running aground and sucking something up into my impeller. But what you would do is you go to, and then what will happen is if you don't have the blue chart, it will give you a warning saying there might be some obstructions, or it might not be a safe way to travel based on the fact that your Garmin doesn't know the depths because your map's not loaded if you have the basic map. And then what you do is, all you have to do after this is you just want to follow this pink line all the way. And then when you get closer, you'll see a checkered flag. And when you get to that checkered flag, it will go off. But that helps you out, especially if you run offshore. If you do some of the crazy things like I do when I go, 25 miles offshore, and I need to find my way back, this thing gives you the best path to get back, and I never have to worry about it. And you can see here where places I've been already, snail trail, all over, all the way down to the West Palm area where, I failed to catch some tuna mahi. It was a beautiful day, flat as it can be, but nothing was hitting. But if you notice with the blue chart, you can start to see some shaded relief here. And if you zoom in, it will do the same thing. It will show you the depth. It will show you, and these are a lot of my, reefs that I have, private reefs and things like that. It'll show you. You can do relief shading. It takes some time to load up, but it's definitely pretty cool. Oh. And you can also use it in your combo too as well. So that way, yes, I have a little goldfish fishies just to show. That way you can see what you're going to, and then you can also see on your way there if you want to mark some spots there. So if you want to mark some spots on the fly and say I wanted to, I see some fish or I see some hard bottom, go to menu, navigational chart, waypoints and tracks, new waypoint, use current position. The second you hit that, it's going to make a new waypoint, and there it is right there. It will be the top one there. It will always be the first one. So you can be running, and then if you see fish and you want to stop and you say, hey, I want to mark this and hit this on the way back, you do exactly what I just showed you. You hit the menu with the split frequency, navigation, new waypoint, current position, bam. And there you go. Let me know in the comments below if I should do a giveaway for a Garmin Blue Chart map or a personal EPIRB. Let me know in the comments below which ones you would like. And in the next video, 1,000 likes and we'll do the giveaway. You guys choose your prize. So 1,000 likes and I'll do the giveaway. And then in the next video, I'll let you guys know what you can do to be able to win one of those Garmin Blue Charts or the personal EPIRB.